So there are law firms out there that actually offer to pay the filing fee for clients to file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. What's the catch? Watch our next video and find out. So you may have seen some advertisements from attorneys that offer to actually pay your entire Chapter 13 filing fee if you file with them. So what's the catch? Well, for many of these firms, you need to read the fine print because they usually are only offering this to folks that have a paycheck. So why is this? Why don't they offer this to folks that are self-employed, on Social Security, on disability? Well, the reason is they're going to require you to have what's called an employer deduction order, which means that they're going to file an order with the court asking your employer to send your bankruptcy payments to the trustee. And this way, they can ensure that you're paying their case and they get paid, so that the risk of paying your fee up front is covered in the event that you decide not to pay. And for some folks, this may not be a big deal at all, and they don't have a problem with their employer being notified that they filed for bankruptcy. But understand that the trustees actually offer a couple of options where you can pay directly. So you're not required to do an employer deduction order if you opt for one of these other methods where you are directly making the payment and your employer is not notified that you're in a bankruptcy. So for many clients, this is an issue and they don't want their employer notified that they're having financial problems or in a bankruptcy. So you want to make sure that you really read the fine print when you're seeing these deals, these offers. Because to be honest with you, it doesn't cost very much at all to file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy if you need to, and you don't have the entire $310 filing fee payment to make. Most cases at our firm, we file with no attorney fees paid up front, and in terms of the filing fee, clients are only looking at paying the initial $75 installment fee to get the case filed. And then the court is going to actually give you a 60-day period to make a couple of installment payments to pay off the balance. So really, you might want to think about, do you want to sacrifice the ability to make direct payments on your case over $75? It's different for each person, but just make sure that when you're seeing these deals and marketing plans that you're reading the fine print, because for most of these cases, they're going to require that employer deduction order. If you have any questions about bankruptcy or filing in general, don't hesitate to reach out and we're happy to answer any questions.